Okay, we've just launched iDcrm for the first time. First time you see it, you get your sales entities, activities, accounts, contacts, and opportunities. And we actually want to get some more information onto our iPhone. So we need to click on Setup. If we click on Setup, the first thing you see is that you can check all your credentials. It could happen that your server address changes due to IT infrastructure changes or whatever. And you can actually change your password. Sometimes you have the policy you have to change your password every 30 days. You can change it here and then it's ready for the next sync. The main thing I want to show you is the additional entities. The initial sync did all the sales entities. Now if we click on additional entities, we can actually see what other entities are available for iDcrm. You'll see some standard Microsoft CRM entities, which are case and contract, but you also get your custom entities, which in this case is the eCampaign entity. You can decide which ones you want to have onto your iPhone. So let's do case, invoice, quotes, and orders. We have selected those four. If I then click on OK, it will ask me, are you aware that you need to resync? Because it will actually have to get the data from the server. So we click on yes, and it will ask me, what data do I want? Do I want everybody's data? In other words, do I want all cases or my own cases? I can choose yes or no. And I can choose how much data I want. So I can select on a modification date. So if I select -3 months, I will only get all the cases, orders, quotes, and invoices that are 3 months old at the max. That's just to restrict the amount of data that goes into your iPhone. Once I've selected that, I click on OK, and iDcrm will actually start synchronizing and getting all the other data. While it's getting all the other data, it will actually not just get the data, it will also get the screens, and it will build all the relationships between all the different data entities that you have on your iPhone. Shouldn't take too long, so we're just waiting for it to finish at the moment. And when it's done, you'll get a message saying that the sync finished successfully. Okay, we go to the home screen, and what you see is that it's now added all those additional entities into my home screen. I can actually customize my home screen because I don't want to have invoices on top, I want invoices at the bottom, and I don't want to see cases on my main screen. So I can go back into setup, I can go to my additional entities, and it shows me the 4 that I've selected previously. If I click on the little list icon on top, I can actually say, okay, I don't want to see the cases, so I click on the stop sign, click on delete, and I want to move invoices to the bottom, so I just drag and drop it to the bottom. And you don't want to have big fingers when you do that. Quotes on top, then orders, then invoices. So I've redefined my home screen. If I now save this, go back to my home screen, you'll see that I only have those 3 entities in that order. And that's really all you need to do to set up your iDcrm environment and select the entities that you want to see. And as you see, all the data is in there and you can actually look at an invoice. Well, that's all we want to show you in this demo.